Dear friends, at the outset I would like to wish all success to the second Coastal Shipping and Inland Water Transport Business Summit. Coastal shipping and inland water transport is top priority for the government. I look forward to receive your suggestions for boosting the share of coastal shipping and to promote inland water transport. In our country, in present economic situation, we are very much intended to increase our GDP. If we want to increase our GDP, we have to more concentrate on our shipping and ports. India has got huge potential. My government is very much interested to start the inland waterways in the country. Even we want to connect river connectivity by the help of inland waterways. We have already taken the work of Ganga from Gangotri to Haldia, and from Haldia by connecting to Brahmaputra, we are also making the passenger terminals by which it can be very much useful for the transport of the people. What are the cost we are paying for the road transport? If suppose is 1 rupees 50 paisa, at the same time same cost for railway is 1 rupees, and for the inland waterways it is only 50 paisa. As far as our transport is concerned, passenger transport is concerned, our tourism is concerned, water sports, all things are very important as far as our economy of our country is concerned. We have already started and giving permission to the seaplane. We want to use this. We are also interested to start Ro-Ro service from Chennai to Mundra, by which whatever the car manufacturer in Chennai, they can send their trucks to Mundra, and whatever the automobile manufacturer in Delhi, they can send their cars to Chennai with the help of this Ro-Ro system. Lot of initiative have been taken by my ministry. We are very much interested in it. We want to make some new ports. We want to connect the ports with the railway. We have already planned to form a railway corporation by which we are going to construct our own railways. At the same time, we are very much interested to increase more business. Presently in JNPT, we have opened a special economic zone, and we will get investment of more than 4,000 crores and employment to at least 1,50,000 youth of the area. As far as the unemployment is concerned, our industry is very important. I will request you, you must take interest in this industry. At the same time, I need your suggestion. I am ready for any correction or any new policy or formation of new policies as far as in the interest of our industry. It's a good time for India. As far as other countries are concerned, they are really too much ahead as comparing with our country. This is the time for our country to take initiative. Our Prime Minister is very much committed and very much interested, giving more priority to the inland waterways. I will request you that please take the interest in this industry. Same time, give us suggestion. We will cooperate you. We will solve your problem. We will encourage you. At the same time, all the people from your state, we will definitely encourage them and giving them opportunity in this industry. I am once again giving a lot of thanks to you. It was unable for me to attend this conference because of my busy schedule in Mumbai, in Delhi, and that's why I am very sorry for that. Once upon, I am giving you a lot of best luck, best wishes for your future, and I will encourage you all type of initiative taken by this conference, and I will assure you that we will consider all your recommendation as far as our industry is concerned. Thank you very much.